Good morning, it is Saturday and I'm super excited because today's vlog is all about my beauty room and I am making a few changes to it and really just making it the perfect studio beauty room space for me. Sorry, I'm just gonna walk upstairs so I can actually show you guys because right now it is kind of like a gray and it looks just awful on camera and I've been really hating it and it's discouraging and it's making me not want to film. So, and this is the gray that I'm talking about. So this is the background that I was filming with originally and I feel like it's so blah. So I am painting it pink. I feel like the pink is super cute. It's super me and it goes with a lot of my decor. I feel like it's all just gonna come together a lot nicer. So I'm gonna switch the room around, film facing this way, and then have this. So I've painted a lot, but I still have a lot to go. So my brother helped me last night and I'll insert some clips of what it looked like originally and then us painting. And sorry, I look like such a hot mess, but it is like 9 o'clock in the morning. So anyways. So my dad is actually on his way over to help me kind of finish it up and make sure it's actually looking really good because I think, you know, it's one thing to paint a face, another to paint a wall. I literally had a brain fart because I don't know what I was thinking, not getting like a stepladder or whatever. I was like, do I have everything I need? Yeah, I'm good. I got the paint, I got a brush, and I got the tape. So I can't actually get at the top parts. So just to show you guys, like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I went as high as I could, but I definitely need to do a lot more work on the outer portions along the corners. And then as you can see here, I messed up. And if anybody is, you know, curious, this is the brand I went with, Valspar. I got it at Lowe's and the color, I was looking at colors for so long. So I actually went with Rose Buff and I felt like it was the most warm-ish pink without going too deep, you know what I mean? So a lot of the other pale pinks from other brands, they were just super gray undertoned and I didn't want that at all. But I think it actually looks really good in combination with the other gray walls. It's gonna look really nice with the white furniture and then of course the decor that I just talked about. But anyways, my dad is, look at all this construction. This is what I live in. It's just, mayhem. All right, I just got home. Actually, I got home quite a bit ago. I went grocery shopping right after the gym and just cleaned the kitchen and look at my hair. I look so amazing. Wow, oh my God. Okay, but anyways, my kitchen does look amazing. Just cleaned. All right, so back to the painting. I need to give you guys an update. My dad came over this morning, as I mentioned. He actually told me yesterday when I was buying the paint with him, he's like, I am not, like, you're on your own, good luck type of thing, because he had things to do today. And then he called me this morning. He's like, I'm on my way over to help you. And I was like, oh. So anyways, he helped me and he freaking killed it. So let me show you guys what it looks like now. He suggested going in with another coat, but I'm kind of on the fence. I just don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's my little ladder. He did such a better job. Like, my brother and I did a good job, but just not as good. Okay, this is it with the light on. Oh, it doesn't do it justice, but it's really, really pretty. I got my situation here. Very big situation over here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I'm kind of nervous, but we can do it. I have full faith. So let's jump right into this. Oh my God. Hey guys. Okay. So don't mind my appearance, but we just finished, well, it's now dry. It's like a day later and we finished the pink wall. Looks really good. We're actually thinking of changing this gray now because now that it's next to the pink, it looks really green. Like a lot of green tones come out. We actually had problems taking up the tape. So for example, here's a better view. It pulled up some of the paint, which is super unfortunate. But anyways, now we've got to figure out all of this and then we'll be complete in all of this. Moved everything kind of over, so I thought I'd give you guys just a little tour. I still have quite a bit of work to do. I have to put away all this makeup here. I have this box to go through, those things to go through over there, and this lovely area. So this is like pretty much everything that's new, and I need to just go through, organize, and figure out. Everything in here is actually going to stay this way for now until I figure out how I want to organize it, because this stuff here is kind of like my freelance stuff. I don't really freelance that much anymore, but I got into it a little bit last year. So that's kind of like all my freelance stuff, and then this right here is actually Halloween stuff. So I'll kind of figure out how I want to store that as Halloween comes closer. I think I want to set up some kind of organization system in this closet. And then I do have two very lonely backdrops that I don't actually use currently, but I'm thinking about incorporating again into more like makeup tutorials on Instagram specifically. For YouTube purposes, I really love having a more environmental background. But yeah, so basically what I have, and this is just super quick, so let me know down below if you want a more intense and more in-depth, I suppose, makeup room tour. But just very quickly, every single piece of furniture, not decoration, but furniture, is from IKEA. So this little table right here, IKEA. The chair, IKEA. This floor mat, which Burham insisted that I have to prevent spilling, IKEA. Then I have the 9 Alex drawers right here. That's also from IKEA. And then I have 2 5 ones over there. And then the tabletop sits on top of the 5s, and that is from IKEA as well. And then I have one more 9. Decor wise, so this piece, this is new, and those like fake tulips, those are from Marshalls or HomeSense, either one. I always have Bath & Body Works candles. This is one of my favorite speakers. It is a UE Mini Boom, I believe, and it's amazing. I love it. The Shoegasm is from Chapters. What else? That is like very quickly a nice little room tour. If you guys want more information on my camera equipment, let me know. I'm happy to do a more thorough kind of in-depth talk about it, but just very quickly, that is the room. And look, it's finally coming together. And I really like the pink. I think it looks super cute, very beauty room appropriate. I love how it's looking really girly and feminine, and just, it's making me want to be in here and making me want to create. If you are a YouTuber, you can definitely relate that sometimes it is so hard to put the creativity hat on when you're not feeling inspired. And I think it's really important that you make whatever space it is, whether it's a corner in one room, which is what I previously had at my parents' house. It was just one kind of corner of a room. I am very, very lucky that my fiance lets me have an entire room to myself for filming purposes. So I've turned it into kind of like a makeup room / studio, and I'm really, really happy with everything so far. And I just can't wait to really sit down and create, because since moving here, we've been here a month now, and I feel like I haven't really created that much content. Like compared to other months, I feel like I've created maybe like 5 videos, maybe not even, and I've been vlogging more, which is awesome because I feel like it really allows you guys to get to know me better. But overall, I feel like I don't have my creativity hat on, and it really bothers me. So I'm hoping this helps inspire me. And speaking of that, I'm actually going to conclude this vlog here because I'm going to film a skincare video. I used to do skincare videos once a week, like heavy on Instagram, and I haven't done one in a while. So I am actually going to be filming one. Here's a little sneak peek. Yes. So exciting. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you want an in-depth makeup room tour, or even a beauty collection or makeup collection type of video. Let me know down below. I'd be happy to kind of do one in a vlog style. I really like the chill vlog styles for these kinds of videos. So let me know down below what you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.